Patrick at Pals, and it's a rainy day. And inside, we have this beautiful 1965 GTO. And why is it here? Well, it needs windows. Can't leave it out in the rain without windows. This is what Jim's doing now. So this looks like a minor operation, but he's trying to get the nylon rollers to work properly. You know, after being in a car for 60 years, those nylon rollers don't work very well. Now you can replace them, but it's very difficult because you have to drill out the center without cracking the pot metal that's around it. And Jim is just laboriously and time-consumingly spraying them and then working them. And there's really not a better way to do it. It just takes time and effort. But if these don't work properly, the windows won't go up and down like they should. They'll be hard to roll. And in some cases, you can't even move them. It's a very necessary thing. This GTO came to us apart, and it's been apart for many years, and we're putting it back together. We've got old parts, and we're having to get some new parts. The thing that we found with most restorations is the original parts work best. The aftermarket parts, or parts that have been produced recently, don't fit like the original. So anything you can do to recondition the original components is much better than replacement with a new part. If you've got a 65 GTO and it needs windows, bring it to Pals. See you soon.